Hey folks, Farm Marshall here, just hanging out in the greenhouse with 6 reasons why your vegetable seedlings are leggy. Come check it out. Well, no, we're not going out there because it's about to start to rain. What are leggy seedlings and why is it a problem? Leggy seedlings have long, thin, pale stalks and leaves. The stems are so weak that they can't hold themselves up, and it can cause irreparable damage to your seedlings. It's a common problem caused by stress on the seedlings. Reason number 6, there's not enough light when the seedlings sprout. You don't need to turn them on immediately when you plant the seeds, but after 3 or 4 days, depending on the seed, you might want to go on and turn the lights on. It's better to turn them on too early than too late. Once you do turn them on, go on and put them on timer for about 16 hours per day. Reason number 5, not the right type of light. Don't think that just turning your regular everyday lights on indoors is going to work for growing your seedlings. Compact fluorescent or LED grow lights are the best. They're going to give you the right type of light and they're not too expensive. Reason number 4 is that your lights are too far away from your plants. Check the lumens on your lights. Vegetable seedlings require about 2,000 to 3,000 lumens at minimum for per square foot of growing space. Currently the lights I use are LED. And they have blue, red, and a combination setting. Color affects plants in different ways. Plants use more blue lights to promote vegetative growth, while red light is needed to promote flowering and fruit production. Hey, we're at the halfway point on the countdown, but I'd like to take a moment and thank you for your support. I just received my 200th subscriber this weekend. Let me tell you, I was absolutely thrilled and honored. Hey, this is a starting point for many gardeners. So, like and subscribe for weekly ideas and tips on how to take care of your garden. Now let's get back to the countdown. Reason number 3 is that you're letting your soil get too dry. The seedlings need a lot of water to grow, and as they stress, they will stretch. Plants with thicker stems will use even more water, so be sure to water them enough. Reason number 2 is that you're still using the heat mat. Even though some seeds, but not all, do need heat to germinate, the seedlings don't like the warm soil. So, using the heat mat after the seeds have germinated will cause additional stress and cause them to stretch. Essentially, they're trying to get away from the heat and become leggy. So don't forget to turn the heat mat off. Reason number 1 why your vegetable seedlings are leggy is because you aren't using a fan. Having a little air going across the seedlings helps to strengthen the stem of the plant and makes it want to thicken up some. It doesn't have to be a strong, heavy fan, but just a small oscillating fan giving it a gentle breeze. My small fan only uses 1 watt of power on a slower setting. Pay attention though, because it could cause the soil to dry out, so keep up with your watering. Check back for some more gardening tips, and let's get out there and get a little dirty.